2017 Dodge Ram. You guys know that these trucks have an inherent door squeal. You can hear that. I'll show you real quick how to fix it. I've tried every kind of oil, every kind of lubricant, silicone spray, everything in the world. This right here will last about 6 months, maybe a little longer. It is Never Seize, anti-seize, Permatex, whatever brand you want to use. This works good. Tell you what, I'm working the camera by myself, so take your screwdriver and bump this all the way down. Push it all the way down where you can see there's a gap there. And then take your anti-seize. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys, but you're going to be happy with the results. Put this in there all the way around it. You're going to get a little bit on your truck, don't worry about it. And then take and lift this back up from the bottom all the way to the top, just like that, where there's a gap at the bottom, and do the same thing. Take your excess off your brush where you don't just create a huge mess. Kind of work that in there like that, and then work it back down. Work it back up a couple times, and then this is real time. Remember the haunted noise it was making? See there? Absolutely quiet, and it'll remain quiet like that for a very long time. Have a good day.